Welcome to GSL GM City, 1720 Boat Trail, southwestern Calgary, Alberta. Today we're doing a quick walk around video. This beautiful trade just in again here. A 2012 Ford F-150 SVT Raptor. This truck is powered by the 6.2 liter V8 engine and made it up to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Once inside the Ford Raptor, we do have the power windows, power mirrors, power folding mirrors, and power locks. Automatic headlights right there as well. We do have the leather-wrapped steering wheel with the signature red hash up top. All of our audio controls and our dash controls on there. Truck only has 81,431 kilometers on it there. We got the large navigation touchscreen for your nav, as well as all your audio controls there. Integrated trailer braking system, 4x4 dial with locking rear differential, heated and ventilated seats, as well as we do have all the auxiliary lights switches here as well. Black interior, and we got the Raptor black leather seats. On the exterior of the Raptor, we do have the signature vinyl wrap there. You can see the matte black Raptor finish. 17-inch wheel and tire package. We do have 35-inch tires on here, the Toyo MT Open Countries, and the Fox SVT racing shocks behind that with the Raptor. Tubular running boards there, 6.2 liter badging, keyless entry. We got the folding mirrors. Coming to the rear of the truck, we got our little LED lights all around it as well. Multiple recovery hooks, SVT Raptor, and a tri-fold bed cover as well. Take a look at the interior here. Our leather 60/40 bench seats here. We do have the cloth inserts as well. Rear sliding window. Seats do fold up with underseat storage. Rear heat and some outlets there. We got the sunroof up front and then the dome lighting black roof. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk around video of this beautiful 2012 Ford Raptor. If this is your next off-road performance truck, come down and see us here at GSL GM City or shop online at gslgmcity.com.